Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your VIVO Y17. So the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now allow permission to the files. To show again the free credits banner, restart the application. Click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery, so just select your photo and click on the import. Now you can edit the shape, your document or the picture, and choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send the message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.